AI Workshop back. Today I'm changing ABS sensor or wheel speed sensor, whatever you prefer to call it, on a 2006 GMC Envoy. Alright, the sensor hooks up here. If you follow it, it comes down, all the way down. Keep following it down behind the rotor, hooked up to the wheel bearing. Alright, we're going to start by taking off the caliper and the brakes, and then the bracket for the rotor that holds the caliper and rotor together. Now the bracket for it's 18 millimeter. All right, here it is. Right here, it's got a Allen screw underneath it, right here, and then it runs through with a bunch of connectors, and then to here. All right, let's take it apart. Let's connect it. Alright, here it is. Allen screw. Stick it down here. Pop it free. Shouldn't be very tight. Oh, that came out pretty easy. Pull it. Read it through. There is a little washer on it. Make sure it gets put back on. Alright, make sure you clean all this up. Make sure you put something in the hole and you don't get no dirt down in there. Take a little wire brush maybe and clean it up. Alright, after you got it all cleaned up, go ahead and put the new one in. I'm gonna put a little grease around the rubber seal there. That way I don't tear it out when I put it in. Make sure you put your washer on. That's all I gotta say. Press it down in there. Ah, there we go. Bam. Screw back in. That's it.